Under the rain-swept night, the city sleeps, unaware of the hunt. High above, Blade, the daywalker, takes aim. His target, ancient evil. Through the scope, Dracula, the vampire lord, stands exposed. A steady hand, a silent breath. The moment of truth draws near. A flash ignites the night. A silver bullet streaks, a harbinger of doom. Glass shatters. The vampire king erupts in ash, his dark reign extinguished. Blade stands victorious, the distant inferno a testament to his precision. Mission complete. The hunter fades into shadows, awaiting the next dawn.